Hello LinkedIn and welcome to what can only be described as a phenomenal topic for this week's session. So just to set the stage, on my travels I go to see a number of customers, OEM customers, who invariably are getting exposed to integrated robot arms. And they come in a range of sizes, payload capabilities, reaches, and also colours. And you can have yellow ones, you can have red ones, you can have blue ones, and you can also have white ones. And all these different colours, these different manufacturers require different software platform, different toolboxes for implementation, and different pendants up until now. You got it. Yeah. Can you imagine having that one software platform to do all this array of different robot arms? And who else could explain this? Yeah, you've got it. Welcoming back the infamous Mr. James Cottle.
Thank you, Lee. So as an OEM looking to put a robot inside your machine, you'll know it comes with a robot controller, which is where the robot program sits for controlling the robot. To engineer that robot program, you need the engineering software for that robot controller. New skills are now required to learn to configure that application. Plus, if you're looking to use robots from many different vendors, each will come with their own engineering software for you to get familiar with. Plus, they all come with their own versions of a pendant that you also need to get familiar with to carry out certain tasks. However, if that machine of yours already has a Somatic S7 controller in there, and you're already familiar with TIA Portal to engineer that Somatic S7 controller, then wouldn't it be fantastic if you could just use that tool set to engineer your robot application, and it can sit inside the Somatic S7 1500. As far as diagnosing how the robot's doing, you could use a Somatic HMI for this, meaning you could do away with the robot pendant and have one common uniform interface for monitoring, controlling and diagnosing whichever robot the S7 1500 is talking to. This is very achievable as of today, with many robot vendors offering function block libraries to run inside our S7 controller for controlling their robots. But what's really exciting about this is Siemens has created for you the Somatic Robot Integrator app. This is a ready to run application for the S7 1500 and our Somatic HMI panels, which will give you everything you need for controlling these robots. Plus, with the screens, you can do online teaching, online diagnosing, and online maintenance tasks. It is absolutely fantastic. But what's really fantastic is what the future is holding for us around this topic, because Siemens is developing a robotic library of its very own as well, meaning that in the future, we will be able to have one common set of blocks that can talk to any robot vendor that signs up to the particular protocol. And just look at the vendors Siemens has partnered with to develop these blocks and the protocol. I think you'll agree this is pretty exciting in terms of where we're going with robot controllers. But for you as an OEM, putting that robot application inside of the S7 1500 can help reduce a lot of complexity by just using the tool sets you're familiar with, just using the programming languages that you're familiar with, and using the diagnostics and visuals that you've created and you are familiar with. Plus, TIA Portal is fantastic for diagnostics, so remote maintenance becomes a breeze with the robots as well once all the control of it is inside that S7 1500. So a very exciting topic there, I hope you agree, and thank you so much for watching today's Fletching Fridays. See you again on another.